everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to crochet a super cute bunny keychain. This adorable piece can be used as a bag, charm, key holder, or even a lovely handmade gift for your friends and family. Don't worry if you're a beginner, just follow along step by step. You can definitely do it. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to support my channel. And remember, watch until the end. Your support really motivates me to create more tutorials for you. Now, prepare your 2.5mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook, and let's begin. For round 1, make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Slip stitch to finish the round, then chain 1. Great start. Keep your stitches tight and even for a neat result. Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track easily. For round 2, work 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. Repeat this 3 times. Slip stitch and chain 1. You're doing great. Tip: make sure your increases are evenly spaced to shape the ear nicely. For round 3, crochet 9 single crochets around, slip stitch and chain 1, nice and steady. Keep going. Tip: count your stitches to avoid mistakes. For round 6, now we join the 2 ears together by crocheting 20 single crochets around both pieces. This is an exciting step. Tip: align both ears carefully before joining to keep them symmetrical. For round 7, crochet 3 single crochets, then 1 increase, repeat 5 times. Great job shaping the head. Tip: don't rush, keep your stitches consistent. For round 8, crochet 2 single crochets, 1 increase, then 2 single crochets, repeat 5 times. You're doing amazing. Tip: check your stitch count after each repeat. For round 9, crochet 30 single crochets around. Smooth and simple round tip. This is a good moment to relax your hands. For round 13, crochet 2 single crochets, then 1 decrease, then 2 single crochets, repeat 5 times. Great job decreasing. Tip: use invisible decrease for a cleaner look. For round 14, crochet 3 single crochets, then 1 decrease, repeat 5 times. You're almost finishing. Tip: keep decreases tight to avoid holes. For round 15, crochet 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, repeat 5 times. Stay patient, you're doing great. Tip: stuff lightly if needed before closing. For round 16, crochet 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease, repeat 5 times. And that's it. You did an amazing job. Tip: fasten off neatly and weave in ends securely. Congratulations! You've completed your cute bunny keychain. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crochet ideas. See you in the next video.